How can I get a divorce on PEI? To get a divorce on PEI, you or your ex must have lived on PEI for at least 12 months. You must also have been separated for at least a year. Separation doesn't have to mean that you're living in different homes, but it means that you and the other person don't want to live together as spouses anymore. For example, you're not sleeping in the same room or you're not eating together. You or your spouse must communicate the separation to the other person for the separation to start. There's two types of divorce. There's contested or uncontested divorce. A contested divorce is when both people do not agree on things like division of property, parenting time and decision-making responsibility for children, child support, and spousal support. An uncontested divorce is one where both people agree that the marriage is over, that there's no possibility of getting back together, and that they also agree on division of property, parenting time and decision-making responsibility if there are children, child support, and spousal support. If you believe your divorce is going to be contested, you might want to get legal advice from a lawyer. You may have to go to court and either hire a lawyer or represent yourself because only a court can give you a divorce judgment. If you and your spouse agree to all the terms of the divorce and it's an uncontested divorce, we do have a divorce form builder that you can use. It's an online tool that helps you fill out the court forms needed to file for an uncontested divorce. Right now, this tool costs $200, and you would also have to pay court filing fees and possibly some fees to serve or deliver legal papers to your ex. You will need your original marriage certificate, each child's birth certificate if you have children, proof of income for you and your ex, most recent tax returns and notices of assessment for you and your ex, and separation agreements or court orders if you have any. There are 3 main steps or filings to apply for an uncontested divorce on PEI, and the process takes usually at least 3 to 6 months. You can find more information on the Divorce Form Builder page on our website. Thanks for joining me for this Family Law Friday. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to our Legal Navigators, and their information is in the caption. And I'll see you next Friday.